Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make dumplings, mandu, gyoza, and gaozi. Each country has its own unique style and preferred cooking methods. Let's get started. Mandu filling usually contains ground pork, crumbled tofu, napa cabbage, and Korean glass noodles. Add 1 teaspoon salt in chopped napa cabbage. Set it aside for later use. Here I have 15 ounces of ground pork, add in 2 over 3 cups of ice cubes. Mix the ground pork until it becomes sticky. Then add 3 tablespoons soy sauce, 3 tablespoons sugar, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 tablespoon sweet mirin, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 ounce chives, 3 ounce leek, 5 ounce glass noodles. Next, draw the extra moisture in the napa cabbage and add it to the meat. Stir all the ingredients until it is well combined. The mandu filling is finished. Korean wrappers are made with flour and sweet rice flour. Therefore, the texture of Korean wrappers are more chewy compared to other wrappers. Gyoza are Japanese dumplings. Their filling is very similar to Chinese dumplings, but the wrapper and the cooking method is slightly different. Add 10 ounces of ground pork in the mixing bowl, then add 1 over 3 cup of ice cubes. Mix the meat until it becomes sticky. Add in 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 teaspoons sesame oil, 2 tablespoons sweet mirin, 2 teaspoons tapioca starch, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon pepper, half teaspoon sugar, 4 cloves of minced garlic, half ounce minced ginger. Give it a good stir. Lastly, add in the chopped cabbage. Just like the Korean dumpling, I added salt to it and removed the water. Stir it until everything is well combined. The texture of gyoza wrappers is softer and thinner, and usually their filling contains cabbage. The Japanese like to pan fry and steam the gyoza, which gives them variation in texture. Gaozi have many different types of filling. For today's video, I will show you how to make gao, which is chives dumplings. It is also my favorite dumpling. Here is 10 ounces of ground pork. Add in 1 over 3 cup of cold ginger water. To season the meat, we will be using 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon silheng wine, 2 teaspoon tapioca starch, 2 tablespoon oyster sauce. Stir well, then add 10 ounce chives. Mix all the ingredients until it is well combined. In the north, gaozi wrappers are high gluten, hence the texture is more chewy. In the south, gaozi wrappers are smoother and thinner. The Chinese like to boil dumplings and eat it with vinegar dipping sauce. Each country may have their own style and preferences, but overall they are quite similar and all of them are delicious. Which is your favorite dumpling? This is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Bye!